Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix all tabbing out of CS2 with a black screen delay. So I will show you how you can avoid that and how you can fix that. As you can see here now, when I alt tab from CS2, it should be a lot of time. You can see here, maybe 2 seconds. So I will show you how you can fix that. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go on search, look for Steam. Right click on it, open file location, and then right click again, open file location again. And then you need to go to the top until you see user data. User data, and then it will be a bunch of numbers. Then you just need to open up Steam with the account that you play, press on your account name, and then copy this link here. If you don't know number here, what exactly account is yours that you play. Then you just need to open a browser, go to Steam ID Finder. So Steam ID Finder on Google, and then just paste that particular code or link, and then just delete everything, just leave with the numbers. And then press search, and then the number that you get here on Steam ID 3, it will be your account, 8857. So 8857, this is account that we need. So press on that. Then you need to go to 730, and then go to local, and then go to SFG, and here you will find some files. And here you just need to right click on CS2 video.txt, then open with, select notepad. Then you need to look for setting.fullscreen.min-on-focus-loss, and then it should be 1. So what you need to do here is change it to 0, and then save it. Then what you need to do here, you just need to right click again on this particular file, then properties, and make sure it's read only. But with read only, the problem is simply when read only is selected, you cannot change resolution in game. So if you want to change resolution in game, what you need to do here is to go to this particular file, and then you just need to show more options, properties, and then deselect this option here, right? And then you just need to launch the game, and then it should work. If for some reason this did not work for you, the delay is still big, what I suggest to do here is to reinstall CS2, and then it should work as well. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.